How to squeeze maximum from Amazon Great Indian Sale 2023. The Amazon Great Indian Sale 2023 is one of the biggest online shopping events in India, offering huge discounts and deals on a variety of products. If you are looking for some tips on how to make the most of this sale, you have come to the right place. Here are some ways to squeeze maximum from Amazon Great Indian Sale 2023. Plan ahead. Before the sale starts, make a list of the items you want to buy and set a budget for yourself. This will help you avoid impulse purchases and save money. You can also compare prices and reviews of different products on Amazon.in or use tools like Price Tracker or Price Alert to find the best deals. Shop early. The Amazon Great Indian Sale 2023 will start from October 10th and last till October 15th, but some of the best deals will be available only for a limited time or until stocks last. To avoid missing out on these deals, shop as early as possible, preferably on the first day of the sale. You can also use the Amazon app or website to check the upcoming deals and set reminders for them. Use Amazon Pay. One of the benefits of shopping on Amazon.in is that you can use Amazon Pay to pay for your purchases. Amazon Pay is a secure and convenient way to pay online, and it also offers cashback and rewards on select transactions. You can also use Amazon Pay Balance to pay for your orders, which is faster and easier than using other payment methods. Avail additional discounts. Apart from the discounts offered by Amazon.in, you can also avail additional discounts by using various offers and coupons. For example, you can use bank offers, exchange offers, no-cost EMI offers, or Amazon coupons to get extra savings on your purchases. You can also join Amazon Prime to get access to exclusive deals, free and fast delivery, and other benefits. Share and save. Another way to squeeze maximum from Amazon Great Indian Sale 2023 is to share your shopping experience with your friends and family. You can use the share feature on the Amazon app or website to send links of the products you like or buy to your contacts. This will help you get feedback and recommendations from them, and also earn rewards if they make a purchase using your link.